Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Stripe Cloud Payment Gateway errors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin resolving Stripe Cloud Payment Gateway errors, first identify the specific error message you're encountering. Review the error message carefully, as it often contains specific details about what went wrong. Next, check your internet connection to ensure that it is stable and functioning properly. If your connection is fine, verify that your Stripe account is active and not restricted. Log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Developers section. Under Logs, review any transaction logs for error details related to the issue. Cross-reference the error code with Stripe's official documentation for possible solutions. If you see an error related to API keys, confirm that you're using the correct live or test keys. Check if your payment method is supported by Stripe, as some payment methods may not be available depending on your region. If you encounter issues related to 3D secure authentication, ensure that your payment method is capable of that verification. When facing account-related errors, contact Stripe support for clarification about potential account restrictions. If the error persists, clear your browser cache and cookies, then try the transaction again. Consider testing the payment process using a different browser or device to rule out local issues. Ensure that your checkout integration with Stripe is correctly set up, and all required fields are being passed properly. If you're using custom code, double-check for any bugs or typos in your integration scripts. Finally, if all else fails, reach out to your developer or technical support team for further investigation. Document any error messages and steps you've taken, as this information will be useful for troubleshooting with support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.